guys? Hope you guys are doing great. So today's video is actually going to be a three-part video, and I have some awesome stuff to show you guys and unbox. So in the first video, this one, we're going to be unboxing this. This is a Pokemon XY Break. This is the Japanese box set, and it is the Pikachu with a Charizard costume theme. Second, we're going to be opening up two boosters of Pokemon Sun and Moon. And last but not least, we're going to be reviewing the Pokedex. Yep, that's right, this is the original Pokedex that many of us had as a kid. So, let's jump back there and unbox this. Alright guys, here we have it, the Pokemon XY Break collectible box set. And this is the Pikachu with the Charizard costume edition. So I'll show you guys all the sides. And this set comes with a bunch of awesome stuff. So let's open it and let's check out what we get. Alright, so first thing we have inside is this beautiful box. So it has Pikachu all over it, and it's got like a bunch of different artworks of Pikachu dressed as different characters, and this thing is so cool. Bottom side. So let's open it up and see what we have inside. Alright. So cardboard. Check this out. So the main reason I got this box was for this specific card. Pikachu with the Charizard costume. How awesome is that? It's beautiful. I actually have the plushie version of that, which I'll show you guys right here. So I'll put this in the back maybe. It'll be our little mascot. We have 5 packs to open up. So these come in the box. And we also have a collectible deck box. And we also have a pack of the sleeves. So these are all exclusive to this box. So let's get all that aside and let's get started with these packs. So, first pack, Mega Rayquaza. So I don't know the card trick to these guys, so we're just gonna open them up like this. Ooh, an Articuno. That's a good looking card. That was a pretty good start. So on to our second pack, it's a Mega Gengar, which looks really cool. That's a really cool looking one. And it looks like it's a little promo card in there. Okay, next up is our Mega Lucario pack. Electabuzz. Nice, so we are down to our last 2 packs and these are the shiny Mega Gyarados packs. So XY break. So let's open these up and hopefully we get something really cool from this. Not bad. And our last pack. Oh, alright, check that out. So we got a Mega Scizor EX, and that is a really nice looking card. I love that. It says Iron Crusher. You guys know if these were English cards, this is actually written in Japanese, but since these are Japanese, they're flipped around the opposite way, and this thing looks amazing. That looks awesome. And a shiny Gyarados Spirit Link. Well, that was a great box. Obviously, we got our promo card right here. Really cool cards. We got a Mega Scizor EX, which is really cool. Got some card sleeves, which I'll put that Scizor in, and we got a really nice deck box to put all our cards in. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed that one. If you guys want to see more videos, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button below, and stay tuned for part 2 and 3, and I'll see you guys on the next one.